Guys, it's Mike. Quick update for Project NarxKart. We are so close. 24 shirts have been purchased. I can't believe it. I'm so excited to see these shirts when they get out and about in the world. On our Facebook page, we posted one today of our mom. She's the first person in the wild to wear one, so we certainly appreciate that and love our mama, you know. Also, coming up, you're going to see I bid on 2 cars out of the Tulsa Copart. So I'm going to do a video on like how to sign up for Copart, what you have to do, what you have to send in, all that kind of crap, and what guys like us that are not dealers, that are not going to be going through the process of purchasing cars all the time. So that's going to be on the next video. But right now, I just wanted to say thank you. Just give you an insight on that I missed these cars by about $200 a piece. But we've got 2 more lined up that I'm going to go look at this weekend from Facebook Marketplace. And just want to say thanks. All right, here's a video of the cars, and thank you very much. Guys, it pays to have friends that are powerful, powerful people. Robert Lee and NWA Streetworks have just donated $200 to the fund for hashtag NarxKart. I'm so excited. So his only stipulation is we had to put his name on it. I told him I would weld his name on the car with my eyes closed. So thanks so much, Robert. Guys, go follow their channel. They have a ton of super cool stuff coming. So thanks so much.